let's talk about today. Are there any deals that you're watching right now?
Well, I think there are four deals that I really have had my eye on, which I think is a, you know, microcosm into the SPAC world, right? When you look at PEW, that was a SPAC that did a deal, stocks trading at 5.5. I know you had a guest on earlier that was talking about pipes and ratchets and, getting new investors and old investors into these pipes. You look at Kodiak AI, that was a SPAC done by some pretty good names that are in it. Stocks trading at 8. And then you look at two names, CCIX, which is buying Inflexion, and CEPT, which is buying a Bitcoin company. I'm looking at those four names to kind of see how the SPAC market's going to go. If those pipes are done really well and you see tremendous investors on CCIX, which I'm sure you will, and the Cantor SPACs, I think it's going to be, a real good green shoot going forward for SPACs. If you see some of the pipes start failing, some of the markets down a little bit today, you talk about the tariffs, you talk about China. I think the only way SPACs really come back and go the way they did from 15 to 20 is the market's got to be right. You got to have access to capital. Rates are coming in, which are going to be very, very positive for SPACs. So when those rates come in, I think you're going to see a little bit reach for the risk. And I think if you see these two deals close very strongly, I think that'll be very positive for the SPAC market going forward. Also, issuance is going to be very high. You may see some older sponsors come back, Supernova, Legato, Haymaker. You may even see Chamit come back with his social capital. And the reason why you may see more people come in to the SPAC market now, kind of like you saw Cantor file 5 very fast SPACs as soon as the election went on, is because the targets are out there, right? You look at Inflection, which was Churchill Capital. That's a company that's been around in 2007. So it's around, 17 years? It's got a $1.8 billion valuation. For them to go public through a SPAC, that shows the confidence that they have in it, that it's going to get done. So there are a lot of targets out there. We all know capital markets have been closed for the last 4 or 5 years. Private equity have a lot of companies that they want to get off their books, that they're looking to IPO. And I think the SPAC market's back in play for those IPOs.